Welcome to another real-time trade recorded on video from start to finish. In this video, I'll be illustrating various ways to manage the trade in order to encourage you to discover a combination of elements that suits your unique mental wiring. This is the stuff of the real game. Let's get to the trade to see how it unfolds. Hey guys, Czar here, checking back in with you. I've had one trade today. It was a losing trade, -1 hour to start the day. It's now 11:40. We are in the twilight zone, meaning Europe is closed. Today is FOMC day, interest rate day for the Fed in the US. Interesting morning too. Look at this big wick on the 30-minute candle. Give me one moment. Sorry about that, guys. Just had to mute the microphone and have a cough. My throat's been bothering me a little bit the last couple of days, and so that is the name of the game. Watching now, this is a relatively new 30-minute candle. It's an inside candle to this big one you see here on the bottom left-hand side, and looking for a potential reversal here. I'm watching the three sisters, of course, as always. You'll notice a great deal of weakness here comparatively on the NASDAQ. We're also below VWAP on the S&P. However, we're above VWAP on the Dow. And so this is a mixed bag. This is a divergent picture. It is not synchronous. It is asynchronous. And we'll be watching this closely here for signs of a breakdown of some sort or resumption of an uptrend. We'll see. I'll put you on pause and bring you back if anything develops here. All right, guys, watching now. Buy stop order, guys, right there. I'm watching the three sisters doing the same thing. Give you a quick glance of that here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All telling me the same story. Risking 25 points to make 25 points for 1 hour. And then we'll seek as much as 2 hour here if we get triggered in. And I'm in, guys. Long the Dow. There's 1 hour. Target 1. It's target 2, 1.5 hour. And target 3 is 2 hour. All right, now it's about patience. Let me show you the three sisters. So the strength in the NASDAQ all of a sudden, the weakest of the three, same in the, or similar in the S&P. Now we're looking for the strongest to make a resumption here of this uptrend. My actual entry is there. And getting closer to hitting target 1, which is 1 hour. The primary target on the trade. The 30-minute wants to flip and break above the high. It's already broken. Just needs to get up there. And we hit target 1, guys. So that's 25 points on the Dow. So the 1 hour all or nothing trader has now exited the trade with their full profits, and they're done for the trade. The scaled out trader may have taken off some of their position, 25, 50, 75, 90% off here. And maybe they've moved their stop to break even like this to lock in the trade for the rest for a sure win. Perhaps they've moved their stop to half an hour. If they've moved their stop at all, they may have just left it where it was. The scale out trader may have also moved their stop to under these pivots here, this pivot or under this pivot, looking for another pivot to move potentially. So many different ways to manage this trade. I'll put you back on pause and we'll see if we can hit target 2 as well here today. And target 2 has been hit, guys. 1.5 hour. Let's see if we can get up to target 3 today. And so, of course, the 1.5 hour all or nothing trader has exited the trade with full profits and have left the game. The scale out trader has taken off some at target 1, potentially some more at target 2. They may have a small runner left for target 3. See if that works. They may, in the meantime, have moved to break even or even raise their stop loss underneath pivots like this, for instance, or down here under this one, or trailing underneath candles. Many different ways to do this. Hey guys, we're back. Just as we're waiting here, I just want to remind you that this is a trend continuation trade. You can see here on the 30-minute chart, the trend has been very much up since mid to late, well, kind of mid-Asia overnight, all the way through Europe. And then there was a sell-off initially where I took a loss actually on the open of New York, and then this continued rally. So this has been a really a bullish move here today. And so the continuation, of course, was this idea of impulse, corrective, impulse, corrective, impulse. Getting in here with the three sisters agreeing for an impulse higher. Now, it took a little while to get here. This has been an hour and 21-minute video, a long trade. I'm going to cut out a lot, of course, and make this video nice and short, nice and tight, but yeah, it took a lot of patience. And of course, we're still in this now. And target 3 has been hit. 2R, 50 points. Took a long time here, guys. This trade lasted at least an hour and 24 minutes or so. Thank you for being here. Appreciate your support. Again, trend continuation trade here, guys, illustrated by the red arrow on the 30-minute chart. Have an amazing afternoon. Watch out for FOMC this afternoon. It's 1:05 right now. 2 o'clock is when the big news happens. Have an amazing afternoon. We will talk to you soon. Take care.